Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group 2. In this video, we will explain about educational understanding. Before that, let me introduce our group. The first is Tania Septiani with 3 last student number 154. The second is Uswatun Hasana with 3 last student number 194. The third is Onis Holaita with 3 last student number 176. The fourth is Ailsa Varela with 3 last student number is 198. The fifth is Ifaridul Arifa with 3 last student number 180. And the last is Aulizanul Azza with 3 last student number is 121. The content of this video, the first is definition theoretical problems, definition practical problems. The third is example of educational problems in Indonesia. And the last is effort to overcome them.
Theoretical problems are, among other things, due to difference in the supporting scheme used and also due to difference in concept in this supporting scheme. Some educational thinkers only include philosophy and sociology in formulating concept and designing educational implementation, while other thinkers also use different reference, others, for example politics, economics, skin, and technology, and so on. In using skin outside of education itself, there are many patterns that are used based on various points of view in this skin. Jadi, permasalahan teoritis antara lain akibat perbedaan ilmu-ilmu pendukung yang digunakan dan juga akibat perbedaan konsep dalam ilmu-ilmu pendukung tersebut. Sebagian pemikir pendidikan hanya memasukkan filsafat, psikologi, dan sosiologi dalam menyusun konsep dan merancang pelaksana pendidikan. Sedangkan pemikir lain menggunakan juga acuan yang lain, misalnya politik, ekonomi, ipteks, dan sebagainya. Dalam menggunakan ilmu di luar pendidikan itu sendiri, terdapat banyak pola yang dipakai berdasarkan berbagai sudut pandang yang ada dalam ilmu-ilmu tersebut.
Practical problems of education atau masalah praktis pendidikan are problems relate to the implementation of education in field, adalah masalah yang berkaitan dengan pelaksanaan pendidikan di lapangan, as well as problems that arise through the condition and demand of the factors that affect the implementation of education, serta masalah yang timbul akibat adanya kondisi dan tuntutan dari faktor-faktor yang berpengaruh terhadap pelaksanaan pendidikan. There are several practical problems in education, as listed below. Number 1, lack of funding atau kurangnya pendanaan. The cost of education, including tuition fees, books, and transportation, can be a significant burden for families, especially those with low incomes. Biaya pendidikan termasuk uang sekolah, buku, dan transportasi dapat menjadi beban yang signifikan bagi keluarga, terutama yang berpenghasilan rendah. This can lead a lack of resources for school and teachers, which can negatively impact the quality of education. Hal ini dapat menyebabkan kurangnya sumber daya untuk sekolah dan guru yang dapat berdampak negatif pada kualitas pendidikan. Inadequate facilities and resources. Fasilitas dan sumber daya yang tidak memadai. Many schools in Indonesia lack adequate facilities and resources, such as libraries, laboratories, and computers. Banyak sekolah di Indonesia yang tidak memiliki fasilitas dan sumber daya yang memadai, seperti perpustakaan, laboratorium, dan komputer. This can limit the ability of teachers to provide a high-quality education. Hal ini dapat membatasi kemampuan guru yang memberikan pendidikan yang berkualitas tinggi.
Next, example of educational problems in Indonesia. First, limit access to education. Second, lack of quality of infrastructure. Third, lack of quality of teachers and education personnel. Fourth, the world of education and the world of work are not in harmony. 5. Character education not yet maximum. Contoh permasalahan pendidikan yang ada di Indonesia. Yang pertama, terbatasnya akses terhadap pendidikan. Yang kedua, kurangnya kualitas sarana dan prasarana. Yang ketiga, kurangnya kualitas guru dan tenaga kependidikan. Yang keempat, dunia pendidikan dan dunia kerja tidak selaras. Dan yang kelima, pendidikan karakter kurang maksimal.
In theoretical problems, first, conduct education policy reform to address structural problems in the education system. Second, actively involve the community in education decision making and monitoring and promote education as a shared responsibility. Third, develop more student-centered teaching approaches, enabling students to be active in their own learning. In practical problems, first, increase funding the infrastructure for education and ensure it is used effectively to build and improve educational facilities, including schools, libraries, and laboratories. Second, improve teacher training and the quality of teaching staff and ensure they have adequate knowledge and skill to deliver to quality of education. Third, update the curriculum to be relevant to the demand of the times, including incorporating technology and skill that match the need of the job market.
Conclusion in this presentation is education is an important aspect of human development and progress. The history of education in Indonesia has gone through various stages and efforts have been made to improve the quality and relevance of education, such as the development of the independent curriculum. Education must be accessible to all individuals, and the role of family and society is important in shaping individual character and values. Education should not only focus on intellectual development, but also on forming character and national identity. Thank you.
From us, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.